Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Muhammad Rizky Ramadhani. I am from Slamet Riyadi University of Surakarta. Today, I am delighted to present our study entitled "The Effect of Digital Workload and Perception Organization Support on Quitting Tendencies Employees." In recent years, the phenomenon of quitting has received increasing attention from both scholars and practitioners. Many employees today look busy from their screen attending meetings and replying to countless messages and finish report, and yet emotionally they are no longer fully present. They perform only with necessary without enthusiasm or commitment. The behavior reflect a silent from disagreement where employees do not to resign their jobs but rather withdraw psychologically. It is not a sign of laziness, but a coping mechanism resulting from emotional exhaustion, digital workload, and lack of appreciation. The rapid digitalization of work has blurred the boundaries between professional and personal life. Continuous notification, online meetings, sites, office hour, and the expectation of immediate response have all contributed to rising stress and fatigue. According to the Gallup Global Report 2023, there are only 23% of employees worldwide report being engaged their jobs, while 59% were disengagement. 18 were actively disengaged, or what Gallup calls load quitting. The engagement level even dropped further 21% in 2094. Yes, showing a worrying global trend. Okay, next. In Indonesia, similar patterns are emerging. Many young professionals have started setting firmer boundaries, refusing to work without fair recognition. Even civil servants have begun proceeding emotionally balanced over the traditional culture of constant busyness. Workers said they were satisfied with their jobs. They're satisfied with their job higher than that's higher than in Asia Pacific, of range of 57%. However, satisfaction does not always equal adjustment. You may like your job, they still fail detached from it. This paradox inspired your study, which I made to understand how digital workload, the perception organization support, or POS, influence employees quitting tendencies. The main goals in this study was to analyze whether heavy digital workload directly contribute to quitting, and whether perceived organization support can reduce or even moderate that effect. Yes, to address this question, we conducted quantitative with sample 215 employees with between 22 and 25 years old. The participant highly digital sector, information technology, finance, customer service, and digital marketing. The field where employees constantly face with digital demands or sample consisted of 58% and 58% is male and 42% with female respondent, with most of the participants coming from West Java and then in Central Java and followed by S Java, Jakarta, Yogyakarta, and Banten. And next, yes, then that instrument. The first digital workload was adapted from the ICT related stress scale and consistently of 6 items measuring mental demand, fatigue and overload from digital communication. And the second provides organization support or POS concept of 6 item essential whether employees feel value, fairly treated, and care from their organization. And third instrument, quieting include 9 items, measuring psychological withdrawal such as only the minimum requirements text. And I do not have the energy to give extra export. Yes, and next, all 3 scales were highly reliable with Cronbach alpha values of 0.835 digital workload, 0.2820 for POS. And 0.947 for quieting, confirming the external consistency measures. This graph statistics showed that the average digital work score was 22.68, indicating moderate to high level digital pressure. The main post score was 22.48, suggesting that employees felt only moderate support from the organization. Meanwhile, the main quieting was scored 29.16, indicating disengagement among employees was also moderate. That correlation analysis the correlation consistent relationship between the variables. Digital workload solve a positive, yes, that show a positive correlation with quieting indicator that employees who face high digital demands are more likely to disengage. Conversely, process organization support show a negative correlation with both digital workload and quieting, mentioning that when employees feel support their organization, their level of disengagement decrease even when digital press high. Yes, feel high. And next, we conduct a multiple regression analysis to test the 3 models. The first model examine the direct effect digital workload on quieting. The result was significant with beta 0.354 and indicating that heavy digital workload led high level quieting. And the second model test the effect of POS. The result show strong negative effect with beta from negative 0.708, and which mean that higher organization support significantly reduce quieting tendencies. The third model tested the effect of per session organization support on the relationship between digital workload and fat quieting. The interaction was significant with beta minus 0.008 and showing organization support effectively weaken the negative impact of digital workload. And overall, the model explained the 48.7% of the variations R square. Yes, R square 0.487 in fighting behavior, indicating strong to explanatory power. This result provide several insights. First, digital work as a job demand consuming employees' cognitive and emotionally energy. Prolonged exposure to digital overload can lead to fatigue, stress, and ultimately dissatisfaction. Employees who are overwhelmed and by consistent online communication often respond by reducing their effort. When employees believe their organization values their contributions or cares for their well-being. And the most interestingly, the moderating the effect demonstrates of that organization support can buffering the negative consequence of digital workload. Even when digital demands are high, employees will feel appreciated and support them to maintain their motivation and engagement. This finding aligns with job demands resource model, which states that reduces support the and recognition can counterbalance with heavy demands. Okay, next. In conclusion, this study confirmed that digital workload significant increase quieting while organization can support reduction moderates this effect. This means that quieting should be favored as an individual fell through but structural consequence digital work combined with influencing organization care. And for organization, the practical implication is clear. Can managing digital pressure alone is not enough. Companies must also strengthen emotional and social support system through fair recognition and open communication, mentoring, and mental health programs in organization. By doing so, they can create a workplace where employees feel value, feel support, and emotionally connection. Even in fast-paced and digital environment. And in the end, the key to preventing quieting lies not in demanding more from employees, but in giving more support to them. Culture, empathy, and appreciation can transform digital stress to sustainable engagement. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you very much for your attention.